Hello everyone, this is Ochech Technology, and in today's video we'll be looking at setting up and installing a text editor for our PC, and we're going to be using a Windows operating system. So quickly, let us start the process. So first, this is Ochech Technology website, and we already have an article on how to install and setting up Visual Studio for your website. We're going to be installing Visual Studio text editor because that's going to be what we'll be using frequently for every other of our videos. So we already have a process on our website. All links that we are going to be using for this video will be posted below the content area section of this channel. So we'd like you to also go and check there so that you can also go and get the links for it. Now, so on the article we wrote on our website, you can find the downloading Visual Studio Code. We're going to go to the official Visual Studio Code website, and here's the link. All right, we are there now, and on the website you have three categories of operating system where you can download from. We have the Windows, we have the Linux, and we have the Mac. But for the purpose of this video, we're using Windows because that's what I have on my system. So let's download. As you can see, the downloading process is already going on. While we wait for the download to complete, yes, the download is done, and we can find this file in our download folder of our PC. Yes, and here's the file. So I'm going to quickly run you through the installation process after downloading the file. So just double click on it and begin the process. All right, so now the first one we're going to accept, and then we'll click on the next. Everything seems okay. We'll click again on the next. Yes, we'll click on the next, and then now we'll start the installation. This will just take some few seconds, and everything will be installed into your system, and then you are ready to start your coding journey. All right, the started installation. Subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications, because after now the next videos we'll be bringing up videos of some projects which we are going to commence, some short projects which we can start and finish within 1 or 2 videos, so that you get yourself ready. All right, it's finished installation, and now we have the launch Visual Studio Code and finish. So we will just launch right away so that we get to the Visual Studio Code environment immediately. So congratulations, you now have Visual Studio Code text editor installed in your Windows PC. It's time for us to move to the next stage, whereby we start interacting ourselves with HTML code and CSS code. I'll see you in the next class. I hope this video has been impactful. Kindly share your thoughts below, like and share this video. Thank you.